If you're getting a car for grandma, don't get her a Honda. Let's talk about why. Honda builds a great engine. However, the 9th gen Civic, the 12 to 15s, they've got a really unique VTEC assembly design. What's VTEC mean? Well, it's their fancy way of saying at higher RPM, when it's running really hard, they make everything move a little bit faster and a little ahead to try and make a little bit more power. It works really well. It's very efficient. But just like our bodies, if you don't use it, you lose it. You go to space, those muscles atrophy. If you don't get up into those high RPM bands often, all of those oil lubricated parts don't get the lubrication they need consistently, and they start to wear faster and break down. So if grandma's getting a car and you know she's not going to be flying around in it, we shouldn't get her the Honda, because that Honda, it's going to exercise well, but it needs to be driven like the teenager. Now you go, that's crazy. Teenagers drive Hondas. I know, right? Weird to think about. It's almost as if Honda knows who's driving their cars and is engineering them towards the right folks because they want to match that market demographic. And they've done it well. So if you've got a Honda Civic and you want to take care of it, don't leave it in the garage and think going slow is going to help it and that you're babying it and that's going to get it to a long grave. We want you to slide in sideways, screeching around the corner going, man, what a hell of a ride. So if grandma needs a car, maybe not the Civic. If you need a car and you want to have fun on the commute, maybe the Civic's just the car for you. If you've got concerns about the VTEC in yours, one of the most common failures and one of the #1 reasons that we see them in, come and see us. We can make yours perform the way that it should. Like a little race car right out of the box. It shouldn't think that it's grandma. Next to Toyota, Honda's the next best manufacturer. I'm a personal fan of Toyotas because they machine those engines to a slightly better tolerance, but the Japanese in general truly make the best cars. The Honda Acura product for many decades has been one of the longest lasting cars on the road. Truly, the only differences are they have a slightly more frequent maintenance interval than their Toyota competitor. So, if you know you're up to date and you're really on top of the details, you're super pedantic, very OCD on making sure everything gets done, that Honda's the car for you because you're going to nail every maintenance aspect. But you don't got to worry about that, because at Autotek, once you've come in once with your Honda, we know exactly where you are in your maintenance, and we reach out to you every time. And we say, hey, this car needs this maintenance. It's been this many months, this many miles. Honda says this car will last 1,000,000 miles. We just need to do these small details, and they're inexpensive. And we're going to bug you, we're going to remind you, we're going to get you in, we're going to take care of them. You want automotive peace of mind? Buy the reliable car. Can't afford the most reliable car in the world, the Toyota? Buy the Honda and we'll help you keep it the most reliable car you can.